First up on the iPhone, we're going to go into settings right here. Once you're on this screen, you're going to look for Control Center. Click on the Control Center to make sure that you have it added. You may need to go through this list and click to add it. Here we are, have screen recording already selected, so that means it's in your Control Center. So you'll close that out. You swipe down from the upper right hand corner of your iPhone. Opens up your Control Center. You're going to see a round circle. That's the record button for screen recording. So go ahead and click that. Just going to start a countdown. Once it's done, it'll be recording. It'll keep recording until you click it again to turn it off. It showed up in the upper left hand corner there for you. You just get ready to turn it off. Just swipe down again and tap on it to turn it off. And it'll give you a message that it's been saved to the photos. Alright, next up we'll do an Android. This is a Galaxy phone from Samsung. You just swipe down from the top, swipe down again to get more icons. You scroll through it until you find the screen recording option. And you just swipe to the side. Up at the top there it says screen recorder. Tap on that. It's going to give you a bunch of options. So you got no sound, media sound, or media and mic. And you can hit start recording. It'll do the countdown. And then up in the upper right hand corner it'll kind of gray out while it's recording your screen. That will not show up on the recording, but it'll have the little stop button there, or if you need to pause the recording while you're recording, it'll give you a message that recording is saved, and then you're done with the saving for that recording. Now you know how to do recordings for both iPhones and the Androids. Hope that you found this helpful. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.